but I just got an order and I thought I would show you. This is something that I have been looking for so long, and I found it a while ago on Vinted, and now it's just got delivered. Excuse how frizzy my hair is. I'm just letting it dry naturally at the moment. This is a blouse by a Irish designer. It's quite an old piece. It's at least, I'd say, 15 years old. And it just says make believe. It's quite like a sheesh, like really heavy sequin. But I've been looking for so long. But yeah, anyway, I found it. So excited. I'm going to try it on now. I just tried it on. Obviously not fitting perfectly because I do have a top on under, but I love it so much. And it's just like, you know, one of those pieces, like a piece of history. For Irish fashion at least. Sometimes pieces like this are just so special, and I'm going to really enjoy and love having this in my collection. Looking forward to wearing it maybe Christmas, New Year's, all that kind of good stuff. So it is Sunday. I've actually already been out and I'm just heading in now. Had a lovely day out. But yeah, I'm going to quickly show you my outfit before I head in, and today's been so nice. Like, the sun has been out. We just had a day like walking around town, meeting a friend, having a coffee. Yeah, just very chill, lovely Sunday. But I'll show you my outfit before I kind of go in for the night. Vintage jacket you've seen me wear a million times. I have this two-piece that is originally Primark, and loafers with some blue socks, blue nail varnish as well, and just a little bandana. And I've actually worn it like a triangle rather than wrapped. And my cap you've seen a million times. This bag, I think it's originally Zara home, but I got it at the markets, and it's so cute. And the girl that sold it to me actually gave me another one in a different colour, but I think they're so nice for the outfits. Oh yeah, and these are my loafers that I thrifted in Tenerife, and I have them on with the blue socks, which I think is kind of fun with the blue nail varnish. Yeah, and that is today's outfit. So it is Tuesday and I'm gonna work from a coffee shop today, so I thought I'd show you my outfit. The weather is so pretty. The Psychic Outlaw waistcoat, thrifted Zara cardigan. Got this bag at the flea market. My Urban Outfitter long shorts, I think I got them last year. Same loafers and yellow socks. Good morning, it is Saturday. It's one of those days where I've got quite a bit to get done for this project that I need to get done for Tuesday essentially. So I'm going to head into the studio for a bit, but we're also going to go and get coffee and something nice in the morning in town. So yeah, we're on our way into town now. Thought I'd show you my outfit. Very casual today, I think. I'm just going to take off the jacket. Thrifted this. This is so nice. It's got like, see the way it kind of looks like it's a vinyl, but it's all those little dots. Just because you always need to bring a jacket into town just in case. I've got my turnstile hoodie on that I got. I think I got it at what was it? Was it Yper Fest in Belgium? Good few years anyway ago. I have my Urban Outfitters long shorts on, pink socks, and my ASOS chunky shoes. Got them a good while ago. Hat you've seen a million times. My rings. And then I'm bringing out my Chrome Industries bag with my charms. I love the buckle on this. I have my, I think I got this in Vegas. Supreme. Yeah. Very casual outfit I think for today because I know I'm going to be in the studio working all day. Okay, just finished getting some bits done and now I'm heading to the cinema for the evening. Weather looks so pretty out, looks so amazing. I'm going to leave because I want to get some snacks and we're going to see Sinners in the Lighthouse, which is a really nice cinema in Dublin in Smithfield. Okay, I'm going to run now. Good morning, it's Sunday. I'm just getting ready. I'm actually heading into the studio again today. Got some stuff finished for a project that needs to be done for Wednesday morning, so essentially I only have till Tuesday to finish. Yeah, so I thought we'd finish getting ready together. I've put on, what have I done already? I've just put on some SPF moisturizer, this glow, tiny bit of this on my skin, and then I've put on some of this Makeup Obsession in this shade. This is something I'm trying to use up. I think I've said before I'm not really buying any makeup until I've used everything up, which will probably take me forever. Then I'm going in with this one, is in a peachy, which is falling apart, so I'll just show you very quickly. I think I'll use this shade here. Then I have this really old collection Bronze Glow, which I'm trying to use up. So I'm going to use that just for up here and under here. This is so nice. This actually like smells like coconut. It's lovely. I think I'm just going to use this as my eyeshadow today as well. This weekend's actually like a bank holiday. I think it's like the May bank holiday, in Ireland anyway. Obviously, as someone who works themselves, like holidays don't really mean anything, and I need to get this project done for Tuesday, so we're gonna head in anyway. And I'll show you what I'm wearing. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna wear yet. I'm gonna use this again. I got this in, it's Colourpop. Got it in Vegas when I was over there. And it's actually like one of my only palettes with like neutral shades in it. Kind of like the really old Urban Decay Naked palette, I suppose. And I reach for it like literally every day at the moment. Eyebrows, I've just been adding a little bit of the Got to Be clear gel. Mascara, this AU mascara, which is the Glamour Lengthening Mascara. This one's really tricky to figure out how to use because it kind of like really clumps your eyelashes. But I find it's one of those things like as it gets older, the product gets easier to use. I think it does quite a good job, and it's one of those mascaras that does not it doesn't like leave mascara on the top of my eyelids. Then I always use this, which I've had a few people ask me about. It's like the stellar glitter. This is in Gold Dust. Excuse my nails. And this one's like really dried out, so I literally just like tap it, get a little bit out. I put it on my finger like that, and then I spread it between 2 fingers like this, and then I just pat it on. Obviously a little bit over the top for an everyday look, but it's all good. Gonna use the very last of my Pat McGrath lip liner. Needs to be paired. Actually, I kind of like to use everything before I pair, just because you're gonna lose that product if you don't. Yeah, I tend to like not pair my lip liner until I really need to, so that I get like all that product rather than that end in my pair. And then what am I going to use? I'm going to go for this. I got these at Christmas and I've nearly used them all. They're like Superdrug selected, like these little lip oils, and they're just so perfect for pairing. They kind of like nearly blend the lip liner with the lip oil. I think I've shown you before, but I have all my lip glosses in one of these little Ziploc bags. These are like Tesco pencil cases, but they're really handy. And lastly, I'm gonna do freckles with my freckle pen. I kind of just do different weights, like with the pen, and then just give them a little touch after. There are my freckles. And then finally, I'm gonna just put on a little bit of setting powder. This is Sculpted by Amy. It is completely falling apart, so I'm slowly using it. I can't bring it out. This was really nice, little kind of travel size, but when it started to break up, it was just going everywhere, so I just only use it when I'm home. I need to get one of those little you know, those little powder triangles. I just use this brush, which is essentially like a triangle shape. Okay, that is makeup done. What do we think about if I got some kind of like, I always think about getting a fringe, or do I need a fringe, or do I just need to learn how to style my hair like that? I really don't know. I'm so basic when it comes to hair. I'd love to be good at doing hair. Maybe I should really dedicate some time to learning how to do some hairstyles, like even the kind of lovely hair back like that. I don't know how to do that. Any suggestions? Let me know. I'm kind of growing my hair out at the moment while I figure out what I want to do. I love having blonde in the front. This is my hair naturally, and I just don't know. I think it's very dark. Like if I just had it like that, I think it's quite dark. I think I like having like a little lift at the front. Any suggestions, let me know. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna get changed, figure out what to wear. I'm definitely wearing my 𝖬Лτos𝗂 jeans, loafers. Actually need to get a belt for these because they're a little bit big. I have this belt, I think I thrifted it, but it's kind of nice and basic, so I think we'll put that on if it fits through. I think that's a lot better for holding it up. It's my boyfriend's jumper, so I can't wear this, but it is really comfy. I'm gonna be sewing all day, so I don't need to wear anything like too crazy. I really need to get something proper to put my phone on because I just have you completely balanced. I think I might just wear this jumper again, which I love because it is still kind of cold out. But then this is also quite scratchy because it's wool. Actually, I'm gonna wear this jumper, which is really old American apparel. These were like, I think they're cotton, fisherman cotton jumpers. An extra layer. This jumper. I think that's kind of cute. My loafers. I am gonna finish getting ready and I'll show you outside anyway when I'm on my way. Final outfit. Okay, just getting ready to leave now. I threw on my jacket you've seen a million times, my loafers on, my 𝖬ＬτosR jeans, really old American apparel top, my glasses. Yeah, I'm gonna run. I'll try and show you my outfit again. Yep. Oh, and rings, obviously.